Now let's try and make another sound using some other fancy effects. You'll notice all the modulators have names. You can go in the modulator menu, auto name modulators, and it will tell you what they all are. It's so useful. Because they're all just a number, number 1 corresponds to that one, number 2 corresponds to that one. You can right click on it, select view, and it will show it. But you can also type exactly the same number there, and it will apply to both. That went crazy because feedback is obviously, in a flange effect, that's a pretty powerful effect. Turn it down, it does this. Turn it up, it gets more and more powerful.